Thank you for tuning in and welcome to Errant Painting. Boy, am I excited. I'm here with Mother Nurgle.
Hello.
And we have received some preview items from the third Dunkeldorf Kickstarter. Coming to Kickstarter June 9, which we're really excited about because this one is godsend for the campaign we're playing.
Definitely.
It will be focusing on witch hunters, thugs and mutants, and I need all three things.
Mercenaries, there will be mercenaries.
And mercenaries, yes. It's quite perfect. It's a really big box, but it is coupled with an order I made.
Yeah,
so there will be some regular items that we bought in here with it. But it is a really big box. And of course, this is from Nikki and Nana over at Kinggames. So,
here it is. An unboxing in an unboxing.
So, another really big box.
This is it. Very excited. There's another box in there. I think this will be minis.
I think this is a mug.
Oh, if there are no minis here. Yeah, there are some. And what is this? A poster?
Ooh, a Dunkeldorf mug. I love these.
Oh, that's
Thank you,
our
Nikki and Nana.
Here you go, the lovely artwork.
That is a lovely picture.
It's awesome.
Should we get the camera closer?
Yeah, I think so.
Ooh, promotion stuff.
Love promotion stuff.
Prancing Peacock sticker, Sven sticker and Dunkeldorf stickers.
And
Nice.
postcards. This is just awesome. Yes. The artwork for these Kickstarters have been amazing.
Yeah. I love this one.
Yeah. I love him.
Ooh.
Oh,
That's an older mercenary I haven't seen before.
yes. He's new.
Mm-hmm.
His name is... Oh, her. Sorry. Martha, the ogre mercenary. And now... more artwork.
And there's minis in here. Let's get the camera even closer. So let's look at some of the previews. There has been a lot of lovely pictures on the Facebook site. I can really recommend joining that one.
Okay, I think we have to start over here. So, might be hard to see. His head is down there, but that is, well, the guy from most of the artwork.
Sven.
Sven. So, we do have use for him.
Indeed, he will be in my campaign in Marienburg. He will be playing the part of Valak, the local gangster boss.
Yes, very much looking forward to that. And his right hand? Do you remember the name?
I don't.
I think perhaps it says so. No, it just says Dunkeldorf. But a female dwarf, that is just awesome and something we really needed.
Yeah.
We do have a few female dwarf characters lying around, but
Yeah,
they're
from
all...
Skyball.
Yeah, but they're not badass.
They are heavily armored though.
Yeah. But she looks like someone who could live in Marienburg.
Yeah, and so does her brother.
I really, really like this sculpt. The scarf in front of the lower part of his face and, well, the stomach, and he's just awesome.
Indeed.
Not pretty, but awesome.
Yeah. Then there is the almost but not quite ogre. Big thug.
A very big thug. I like him a lot. very mercenary-ish.
Yeah.
Yes. There's another one.
There is another one. This one we've been looking at the picture going, oh, she's so cool.
Oh, she looks like Tempo.
Yeah, she looks like Tempo quite a lot.
The hair, the pose, the attitude, yes, it's Tempo. And, well, this is just an awesome skull.
It is.
Very characterful. So I think that was the last mini.
Yeah.
Well, it won't be the last because, well, we will be buying early bird as usual.
Do our best to get the early bird again. Third time around.
I do have a very big base here, and you have some smaller ones over there.
Yeah, cobblestone bases.
They're quite big, thick,
Yeah.
but I like the skull.
Mm-hmm.
And we do use some kind of cobblestone bases.
Yeah, I usually
For
make
these.
them myself with
Yes.
milliput.
What is this? It says Sven's Bitter.
I think it's the booth where he sells his bitter. We also have a pack here
And
with
the
bottles and a little cake and stuff.
I like this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I would like to see what's on the other side of that.
And then
Yeah. No. Well, I can take it out. What do we have over there?
flowers, I think.
Flowers?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I did not see that coming. Yes, it's a monogram S and B, Sven's Bitter. So, well, that's really nice.
Mm-hmm. It is.
Oh, and mugs hanging down from, yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. So this is the last preview item we have. What kind of flowers? Well, it doesn't matter. Yes. This is awesome.
It is.
And we've been waiting for this for months to
Yeah.
actually happen.
Well, they announced it very shortly after the last Kickstarter.
Yes.
And the more information that's been coming, the more excited we've grown.
Most definitely. First of all, it is perfect for our current campaign. And one thing I notice is there are a lot of minis actually done
Oh, for this Kickstarter, you mean?
for this Kickstarter.
Yeah.
It's not just
Artwork.
artwork. They're actually through the sculpting process and so on, and they're here. So I'm guessing this will be a bigger Kickstarter.
It could be. It could be.
The last two, I'm pretty sure they were funded.
They were maxed out.
Yeah. So I'm guessing Nikki and Nana are going big this time, and I can't wait to see what's gonna be in there.
Oh, me neither. I'm really looking forward to, well, especially the two dwarfs that we have now, and this crossbow woman, but also the witch hunters and the mercenaries.
Yeah, we've seen a few artworks for the witch hunters,
Yeah.
and well, we play Marienburg. We really need witch hunters, and they have the GW feel.
Yeah, the good old hammer feel.
Exactly, and that's awesome and hard to find. So that's that is definitely a good thing.
Indeed.
There should be shouldn't there be a real ogre as well? No, it's just me.
Yeah, there was the artwork for the...
Yeah, I think so. Oh, Martha.
Yeah.
Yes.
I will drop some links down below to the Kickstarter and the Facebook group.
Yes.
And Kinggames, which is the store where Nikki and Anna sells the lovely models once the Kickstarter has ended.
And the Kickstarters from the previous two, the minis from the previous two Kickstarters are available as well.
Yeah, and they're very reasonably priced and they are lovely minis.
Yes.
With as said, with a real old hammer feel.
Yes.
So
perhaps we should say, and they're metal, if you can't see that.
yeah, most is metal. There is a few resin here and there.
The scenery is mostly resin, but the minis are in white metal? Well, metal at least.
Yeah.
Alright,
Yes.
I think that's it for now.
that is it for now. Very excited about this Kickstarter and definitely gonna cover it more. And for you out there, till next time, take care and bye bye.